With us again, another place in Kohala. And it's right down by the ocean side. And all these beautiful songs was written by the late Auntie Sarah Pule. And she shared these many songs with us many, many years ago in 1978. And so her great-great-granddaughter is so honored to be here joining us. And of course, here on the beautiful island of Moloka'i, the island is quite, it's small for us because I have lots of family here. One of my grandmother was the youngest of 18 girls, or 18 children, that is. But her oldest sister was Margaret, who married in Inoka. The entire Inoka family moved here to the island of Moloka'i. So I have extensions of the Kanal Valley-Valleys, the Kalilikanis. They're all a whole bunch of them that are related to us. So now I'm going to take you down to the beach side and tell you about the family again to Kohala. To Keokea Beach Park, our favorite place of ours. We all get a chance to go. Keokea Wiki kahakaye, Kohala, Keokea pakae, Helemai, Iki kahakaye, Keokea Kohala. Ohaya no Keokea paka, Paka hoi, Ankamalini, no oe, Kamai iluna. Keokea paka, Paka hoi, Ankamalini, no oe, Kamai iluna. Nena Moloka'i nani e kalanane, Ulvehi I Kalau o kaniu, Onapea e ana, a kamakani. Nena Moloka'i nani e kalanane, Ulvehi I Kalau o kaniu, Onapea e ana, a kamakani. Nanero ikelo heikikai e havana eneia o hulu ikai me ke anu. We surf and swim at Keokea. Nanero ikelo heikikai e havana eneia o hulu ikai me ke anu. Eluana awana ikikai enanue haikikai okay bakae aloha hainai mai anakapuana e paka hoi ankamalini no Keokea paka koinoa ia hainai mai anakapuana e paka hoi ankamalini no Keokea paka koinoa ia Mahalo. They only have a million things to put on, right? So they